Welcome to Taqwa Institute of Physiotherapy and Health Sciences, was established in 2020 to offer a 5-year Doctor in Physical Therapy (DPT) program on an affiliation basis with the University of Karachi. The campus is situated in Gulshan Iqbal Block 5, which is an educational hub of Karachi City. The institute has a sole purpose in its roots, that is, maintaining an educational body with consistency and sustainability, by providing the best scenarios of learning to the students in terms of facilities and the faculty. The context of our education is based on student-centered learning and the deliverance of evidence-based knowledge. It has been 3 years now, and in this regard, we are in continuous growth from where we had begun. Currently, we are fully equipped with providing state-of-the-art learning facilities as well as the teachers who have gone through multiple evaluations before becoming part of our institute, in terms of evidence-based knowledge, awareness of current technology, demonstrative capabilities, and professionalism. We do not compromise in any regard in terms of providing knowledge to the students and assisting them to comply in the current era. Furthermore, we continuously analyze and monitor the quality of education. For more details, call now 0332499111. Visit our website www.tiphs.edu.pk.